Hey friends, today I'm going to plant a planter, but first I've got to work on it some. It needs to be painted black. I got it from my neighbor. She was going to throw it away, or I don't know what she was going to do with it, but I bought it from her for 20 bucks. I thought it was a pretty good deal. I am going to paint it black, and then I'm going to plant it up with some annuals. So let me show you what I got and what we're going to do today. So here is my little planter that I got from my neighbor. It is currently pink. I don't want it to be pink, so I went and got some Rust-Oleum enamel protective paint, and I'm going to paint it black. And I've got this little coconut liner. We'll take that out because I'm about to wheel this up to the garage and work on that and then plant it. So yeah, come on, let's go. I put my Supertunias, these bubblegum Supertunia Vista bubblegum, in this pot, and they are so happy, but they're taking over my black currant Coleobrachia. So what I'm going to do, because let me back up, you can see that you can't even see my other ones I have planted in there, the other black currant ones. So I'm going to take those out and we're going to put them in a different pot. I got my cart all painted black. It was pink before, and so I'm ready to plant it. We got a break in the rain. I had to leave it in the garage, let it dry overnight, for a couple of nights. Got some plant tone, some biotone, and some potting mix. And the plants I'm going to use a Thriller, which is going to be my tall one, and it is a celosia. See if you can see that. It's a celosia, and it is for full sun. It's an annual. Bee friendly. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. 6+ hours of sun. It's going to get 18 inches tall and space them 8 to 12. It needs evenly moist soil, and it is an upright habit. So that's going to be our Thriller. I'm going to use this lemon coral sedum, and it has a mounding habit. It is mounding habit with some trailing blooms. It's not grown for its blooms, it's for its foliage. Gets 3 inches tall, 3 to 10 inches. I do it 12 inches apart. Normal water, full to part sun. And then for my spiller, I'm going to take these that I have already dug out of those other pots. And that is my Superbells currant. Let's see, Superbells. My neighbors are having a good time over there. It's Memorial Day, so they're in their pool. All right, it's Superbells Black Currant Punch, full to part sun. It does a mounding and trailing. It will go to hard frost. It's hardy to hard frost, but then the hard frost will get it. It's 6 to 12 inches, space minimum 8, maximum 12 inches apart. It's an annual except in zones 9A through 11B, and I'm in zone 8A. Regular fertilizer, and you get the picture. So we are going to plant this pot up. Now when that fills in, it's gonna be so pretty when it starts taking off. It looks really good, I think. I'm gonna have to clean off out here because I've made a mess, but yeah, I'll update you on this one as it grows. So that is celosia. I've got lemon coral sedum and black currant punch. I think it's gonna be really pretty. I had an extra celosia left over and an extra black currant punch, Colocabrachius. So I went ahead and put it over there in this pot with my yellow canna lilies. I think that'll make a good complementary color scheme, purple and yellow. It'll look really pretty together, so we'll see. We'll see when it comes together. I'll give you a little update.